There is a reason many teachers only talk about the physical benefits of Trataka. They don't think you're ready for the true power of this Kriya. But here at Dancing Ganesha Studio, we know you are more than ready to handle the real work, the direct activation of the third eye for the city of astral projection. Many people struggle to achieve lucid astral projection because they lack the awareness necessary to remember their astral travels, or to remain conscious during the transition into the astral plane. And this mainly happens for one reason: the Ajna Chakra is dormant. In this session, we will unlock the science of the siddhas, how Trataka, the steady and unblinking gaze upon one object, creates a specialized pressure through the optic nerves that directly vibrates the pineal gland. This is not a metaphor. This is the mechanical activation of the pineal gland, the physical counterpart of the Ajna Chakra. And once you understand the mechanism, I will guide you step by step through the Trataka Meditation. When Swami Satyananda wrote about Trataka, he called the pineal gland an antenna for higher vibrations. While that may sound mystical, modern neuroscience shows he was tracking a real neural pathway. When you lock your gaze on a candle flame without blinking, you are actively manipulating the retinohypothalamic tract, a direct neural pathway connecting your eyes, your hypothalamus, and your pineal gland. By freezing eye movement, you cut off the constant flood of changing visual data to the brain. This sensory deprivation, combined with intense concentration, triggers a massive shift in brainwave activity, from beta waves that indicate scattered thinking to deep alpha and theta waves that indicate meditative states, tuning your internal antenna away from daily stress and directly into deep meditative awareness. Trataka has two stages. The first, external Trataka, involves focusing on an external object, and the second, inner Trataka, trains the mind to become introspective and withdraw from the senses. You can practice Trataka on various objects, like a yantra, your reflection in a mirror, or a candle flame. In this session, we will use a candle flame for Trataka. This is particularly powerful because fire is mesmerizing and draws the eyes and mind. It also leaves a very clear afterimage during inner Trataka due to its brightness. The best times to practice are very early in the morning or late at night. During these periods, the environment becomes incredibly still and quiet, and the mental and psychic atmospheres likewise become quiet. In this practice, we will first practice external Trataka with the eyes open, concentrating on the candle's flame. Then, after a few minutes, we will close our eyes and practice inner Trataka by focusing on the candle's afterimage. Practice for 30 days to activate the pineal gland and open the Ajna Chakra. Let's prepare for the meditation. Choose a quiet, dark room, free from drafts or breezes, where you won't be disturbed. Place a lighted candle on a table at eye level, directly in front of the center of the eyebrows, at a safe distance and at arm's length. Ensure the wick is perfectly straight and the flame is motionless. Although the primary goal of Trataka is to develop concentration, you should not force yourself to concentrate. Concentration must arise spontaneously. Try to maintain awareness of the candle's flame. Let thoughts arise, but do not become lost in the stream of thoughts. Just watch them with disinterest. When you do this, unwanted thoughts will automatically subside and concentration will arise. Sit in a meditative posture with your legs crossed and your spine straight. Adjust your position so you are facing the candle. The flame should be at eye level and the light should be directly in front of the eyebrow center point, at a safe distance, about arm's length. Close your eyes and relax your body. Breathe slowly and deeply. Now, open your eyes and look directly into the middle of the flame at the top of the wick. Try not to blink your eyes. The less you try, the easier it is, so don't put in too much effort. Allow your eyes to relax. Your entire consciousness must become centered in the flame, to the point that awareness of the rest of the body and the room is lost. Your whole attention on the top of the wick. There is nothing else but the top of the wick. Your gaze is drawn to the top of the wick. When the eyes become tired, or if they begin to water, close them and relax. Do not move the body, but be aware of the after image of the flame in front of the closed eyes. Let's practice inner Trataka on this image. Hold the after image directly in front or slightly above the eyebrow center. Keep your eyes closed. If the image moves up or down or from side to side, observe it and try to stabilize it in the eyebrow center point without straining. Observe the after image as a detached observer. See it as happening outside yourself. Whatever happens in front of your closed eyes, let it happen. Don't suppress it. If you see visions or beautiful images, just watch them as you were watching TV without getting involved. Only watch, nothing more. When you are sure the image has appeared and faded for the last time, open your eyes. You can proceed at your own pace by alternating between gazing at the candle and observing the flame's after image for 5 to 15 minutes. We will close the meditation with palming. Rub the palms of your hands together vigorously to generate heat. Then place them gently over your closed eyes. Now, lie down on your back, completely still in Shavasana, to rest and fully integrate the mental and physical benefits of this meditation. When you are ready, bring your legs to the top of your chest and rock side to side. Then sit up. Hari Om Tat Sat.